Yes, my people, good day. A few people were asking if this was a interference engine. I haven't taken the valve cover off yet. This side looked like it might be affected more than the other. So I have these bolts loose. Take them out, see what we find in the day. As I said, this is just a curiosity search. We're not reusing anything other than wiring harness and that type stuff. All right, feel tight like I still have, oh, there's a bolt right there. Look at that, hidden underneath that. See, that's that Mercedes stuff right there. Wonder if I can squeeze past it. Wonder if I can find the torques that you need. Too small. That little better. Put that back. See, prying on it and it don't feel like it want to come loose, you miss something. Right there, look at that. All right, so we need to get this loose now. Look at that. Now that was the left hand. Whoa. Whoa. What we have under there? We have camshafts under here. Good to go. This is how the camshaft set up. Have a little keeper there, keeper here, keeper there. That's more than what Porsche gives to you. When you take the valve cover off of the Porsche, if you don't put on a tool in the back, the camshafts jump out at you. Can I get to the bolts without removing the camshafts? I can. I don't have to take the camshafts out. But let me just take one out for you so you can see. Boom. Crack that loose. I like breaking these things loose by hand first and then zipping them off. Torques and that type stuff. That's how this comes off. Ta-da! This is the camshaft and it has roller rockers on here. See? These are roller rockers that's on here. Has like a little retainer to keep it in place and all that fancy schmancy stuff. Mercedes for you. Alright, we have inverted torques all the way down there. What size we're working with? This is a 14. Might be too small. And it is on the money. Let me see how tight these are. Usually when you're tightening, loosening, you're loosening from the furthest points working your way in. Because when you're tightening your skirt, yeah, that kind of tight. That kind of tight. We go break out the big boy. You see the big boy here. Let's hear what he has to say now. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Crack loose. What that? Oh. Oh. A part of the chain tension in the way, right? So remove that. Crack this loose. This thing tight, okay? And a joke business. Crack it loose. Crack it loose. I'm not a big guy, so I have to put my all in it. Yeah. Okay. So now I'll zip them off now. And then lift off this head. What is the deal? I must have missed that one. Come on. So what you say? Yeah! Mine. Alright. 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 They long. They long. I bet if you pull them, you have to replace them. Okay, so this thing greasy. And I don't want to grease up my gloves, you know. We go switch to rubber gloves. I don't be throwing them out as I take them off because they're not cheap. If they don't have a hole in them, they're going for another round robin. Let me take my tools out of here because I'm probably just lay it over on this side. Move them coils here. The chain guide there's a pin going through it, but you see, because this is a junk motor, we have the ability to motivate things like so. You see? So we motivated it. It won't hold us up. So position and kind of rock. That's how I get the bolts out without using a magnet. I'm just looking at the valves to see if the valves impacted the pistons. These ones seems like they did up here. Very slightly. Very slightly. When you look, you can see these valves here are open. If you're looking at them straight on, you can kind of tell it doesn't take much to bend valves. And if you look in at the top right there of the piston, you can see a little shiny spot. It doesn't take much to bend them. So yeah, it bent the valves. So we know that. Again, this is just for demonstration purposes. We're not saving this motor. We're just looking at the damage that was caused.